All right, we're at another mountain project. We're gonna put a culvert in this little spillway here. That's the plan. Country mountain road here. About midway through the job. I got this huge 24-inch culvert pipe.
That guy wanted me to.
What guy? Alright, we got the pipe in. Lines up right there. Shoots out right there. Now it's time for backfill. Okay, so we got our culvert in the ground. I put some rocks around the end over there. Put some rocks around the end over there. And I graded right there and right here so the water would slope into the top side of our pipe from the hill. Just waiting on a load of gravel and we'll be done. All right, gravel's down. At least half of it is. It's a little squishy here, but it's pretty wet underneath. But got everything going pretty good into that. Yeah.
I don't have a metal shovel.
All right, here we go. This is the end.